What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. You guys know what time it is. Today's watch is the Invictus Speedway. It's one of my favorite watches to wear. It's got the blue carbon fiber with the yellow gold and the stainless steel with the blue dials. Anyway, this is going to be a quick video, guys. We have a rear passenger peg delete plate for the Kawasaki Z650. So I just wanted to show you this. It's a really cool little plate if you want to remove those pegs. This comes as a set of two, so you'll be able to pick multiple colors, and then you'll be able to pick the left side and right side. Keep in mind they are universal. One side can go on the other, doesn't matter, but the way we have it set up on the website, pick the left side, pick the right side, and you'll be able to pick what it says. So you can see here Z650, Kawasaki, a blank one that just doesn't have anything on it, and then the one that says BLR Tuning. Okay, so you'll have your choice of these four designs, and then you'll see multiple color options. I'd like to take a quick minute to thank our sponsor of this video, Magic Mind. Magic Mind is a 2-ounce little shot. Take it right next to your cup of coffee. It'll help you get through your day and help you stay focused. You can go ahead over to magicmind.co/BLRtuning and use discount code BLR20 at checkout and get 20% off your order. Go check these guys out. Magic Mind, killer product. We take them every morning. There's a link in the description below. Before you go out on a rip, give yourself a Magic Mind, do a little shake. Drink one of these before you ride, and stay focused all day long. So at the time of this video, these are going to be on sale, $30 shipped anywhere in the US. And that'll be obviously the set of two, and uses your factory hardware. So let's hop over to the Z650 real quick and I'll show you guys how they install. Takes 5 minutes. Okay, you can see here this is on a 2019 Kawasaki Z650. This is where the rear passenger pegs would have mounted, and you just end up with these either two bolt holes, or you can thread the shoulder bolts in there and they stick out a little bit. It just looks like something's missing. Okay, you can see how that looks on this side. So a lot of people just do it like this, where there's just that shoulder bolt sticking out. So we've started threading this one out. So all you're gonna do is remove these, hold the plate up there where you want it, and thread the hardware back in and get your new plate installed. Really simple. So let me throw them on this bike, show you guys what they look like. Okay, here you can see how the green looks next to the green frame on this. This is our fluorescent green in color. So the way to do this is to hold the plate up there, get one thread started, get the other thread started, and then thread them right on down. And you can just go all the way tight. You don't got to obviously over tighten it, but the shoulder bolt is going to tighten all the way to that frame. So you just want to tighten it down until it stops, okay? And then it's going to sit on there like that. You can see it's a perfect fit. It doesn't move around. It's not going to rattle. So let me throw these on here and show you what they look like. We'll throw a black one on the other side so you guys can see what the black one looks like. But this is the plate that says BLR Tuning. You can see the lettering is raised just a little higher than the round platforms there for the bolts. Looks really cool. Okay, really subtle. Okay, let me get it installed. Okay, and here's the other side in black. You can see we did the one that says Z650. It's just a real subtle little touch. Something you don't notice too much, but it does look like it belongs there. And now it looks like those bolts are getting used for something and not just hanging on by a thread. So this is a really cool little touch. You see how that looks. Okay, again, they're available in several different colors. We got 4 different designs. There'll be a link in the description below for you to go purchase these. Again, at the time of the video, they're going to be $30 shipped anywhere in the US. These fit the Kawasaki Z650. Okay. So if you look at your Z650, if it's got the 2 bolt holes right there, it'll fit. Anyways, go check us out, BLRTUNING.TECH. We also offer ECU flash tuning for the Z650 and many other bikes, Kawasaki, Honda, and Yamaha. And then, of course, we can tune your Can-Am as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.